Today we're going to look at a camera app called Blux Touch. And I don't usually do a lot with paid apps because I know that a lot of students don't have much money to buy apps. This particular app is 99 cents and it is fast becoming one of my favorite photography apps, and I want to show you why. First of all, you'll see that I have two controls. I have a temperature control on the left and a zoom control on the right. And the thing that really turned me on to this camera for my iPhone, in addition to the iPad, was the power of this zoom. You cannot get a zoom that clear in the regular iPad camera. And so zooming is a real positive. The other thing that I can do as well, if I swipe the screen from right to left, I can bring out controls to do filters for the lens. So on the outside ring you'll see what certain filters do to the color tones and hues, and then I have like landscape lighting, food lighting, high key if I need to do that, different kinds of things that I can do with all of the filters. And so I'm going to put that back to normal. And then if I swipe from left to right, I bring out all of these other sliders that I can do. I can use saturation to bring this all the way down to black and white if I want to. I can pull the contrast up to really make the lines pop. I can make it a little brighter or darker depending on what I want to do. And I can change the hue of the Stagecoach. It's actually red, so I'm going to leave it there. So by changing all of those things, I can say, okay, I'm going to focus right here on the door. Whoops, let's get rid of that. I'm going to focus on the door. That adjusts my lighting and my white balance, and I just push the button to snap a picture. And then if I want to zoom in, I can also just push the button to snap a picture. A couple of other features of this app is if I swipe from top to bottom, I bring up the various widget boxes and tutorials that are available for the camera. And then if I swipe from bottom to top, I bring up all of the pictures that I have taken with the camera. And so with this camera I can do all kinds of things. So let's just pull up the filters. Let's go with the Sydney filter, and let's go with the night. Let's go with the HDR setting, and then we can swipe that out and snap another picture. So that is the Blux Touch app for the iPad. There is a separate app for the iPhone. This app is 99 cents, and if I ever find that it's free, I'll be sure and send out an email about it being free. But in the meantime, if you want to take some really cool pictures with one of my absolute favorite apps, I can recommend the Blux Touch for iPad.